I keep my mum's ashes in a little Wedgwood box. Proper expensive it was. Proper expensive. But worth it. Worth every penny. Because mum's worth it. But now I keep it glued shut. I glued it with super glue. Seems almost criminal to do something like that to a beautiful Wedgwood bone china. But I had to. I had no choice. After the incident. Thing is, I love mum and I miss her something terrible. And on some evenings, when I miss her most, I chat to her, just me, her and a bottle of Guinness. I sit her down on the coffee table. I take off the lid. I open up a Guinness. I light a cigarette. And I tell her all that's on my mind. Just like before she took her leave. And then one evening, 2 or 3 months ago, I was having, let's just say, one of my off days. And I tried to hide it from her. I spoke about this and that, kept it general. I poured a Guinness and another cigarette and another and another. I suppose things got a little bit out of hand. All these feelings started to bubble up out of nowhere. Just as I was about to tell her how furious I was with her, I saw myself flick a little bit of the cigarette ash into her Wedgwood resting place instead of the ashtray. I froze. I was horrified, mortified. How could I do something like this to my own mum? It's the ultimate slap in the face. But what could I do? I couldn't fish it out. It all looked the same. I suppose I could have took a little bit off the top, but that's mum. Anyway, I apologised to her and I vowed the next day to seal the lid, just like the ancient pharaohs and Cleopatra. So, yes, in some respect, that is my mum. But I can also say, strictly speaking, that it's 99.8% my mum and a tiny little bit of Marlboro Light